Solar System. The solar system is made up of the Sun and everything that orbits or moves around it. This includes the planets, moons, dwarf planets, and space rocks, comets, meteors, and asteroids. The Sun. The Sun. Mercury. Mercury. Venus. Venus. Earth. Earth. Mars. Mars. Jupiter. Jupiter. Saturn. Saturn. Uranus. Uranus. Neptune. Neptune. Asteroids. Asteroids. Comets. Comets. Meteors. Meteors. Thanks for watching, kids.